CUPED is so proud to be a partner with Miami-Dade County Public Schools in presenting our CUPED program.
Definitely being a part of the CUPED program would benefit me in so many ways. It grants me that experience and learning more about the banking world.
So for the future, I want to do marketing, and I feel like being in CUPED, I'm going to be collaboratively working with others. This is the skills that can take me farther in life, and I'm glad I'm learning it now.
Saving and budgeting will most likely help me the most because in the future, I would like to have a business of my own.
As a credit union, we are about our members. And ultimately what that looks like is that we are dedicated to helping our members achieve their financial success.